Hello, it's Reyna. I just got back from Copenhagen from the World Coffee and Good Spirits Championship. I could really go for like a nice, refreshing cocktail. Let's make one together. One of my favorite coffees today for this cocktail is the Bensa Anaerobic Natural. The recipe for our espresso today is going to be 18 grams in, 48 grams out, and about 25-ish seconds. But really, the faster the better. This coffee, so good when it's hot and fast. You know me, I love a fast extraction. Okay, you might be wondering what we're making today. I'm calling this the espresso MarTiki. It's a play on a martini, but also kind of not really. It's a combination of things that I really like. So let's get into it. There's only one required house-made ingredient, and it's syrup. It's just a 2-to-1 syrup, so 2 parts sugar, 1 part water, whatever type of sugar you like. I'm using demerara because it adds depth to our cocktail, but you could use white sugar, brown sugar, whatever. There is an optional second ingredient that you could make. That's going to be pineapple-infused rum. You could very easily purchase pineapple-flavored rum, like the Plantation pineapple rum, Stiggins Fancy, if I recall correctly. Or you can sub in any funky, fun rum that you like. But for today, for our purposes, we're just using some pineapple-infused Appleton Estate signature. Cool. The coffee that we use today, I talked about it a little earlier, is the Bensa Anaerobic Natural. This is currently available on the shelf. It's got some really fun flavors of like mango, passion fruit, and like other tropical fruits, which is why it's going to go so well paired with the rum in our cocktail. Cool. Let's begin building. We're going to start with our sweetener, 7.5 milliliters or 1/4 ounce of this 2-to-1 rich demerara syrup. Then for some acidity, we're going to use some pineapple juice. If you bought a whole pineapple to infuse your rum, you can totally go ahead and juice that. Otherwise, I prefer using the Lakewood organic fancy pineapple juice. I just like the acidity of it. And then for a little bit of bite and some fun spice character, some velvet falernum, 15 mils of that. 15 mils of both the juice and the velvet falernum. And the velvet falernum is going to add just a tiny bit of ginger and lime flavor too. And then last but not least, 45 mils of our pineapple-infused rum. I did this at a 1-to-1 ratio, so 1 part pineapple, 1 part rum, and I let it steep for 8-ish hours, and then I strained it out with a little paper filter situation. All right, now we're gonna shake all this up, and I don't know about you, I don't have an ice scoop at my house, so we're just gonna use our hands to kind of get some ice until our shaker is nice and full. And I don't know, just add a little essence of rain. Let's get our chilled glasses out and get our cocktail strainer. This is a great cocktail just to be sipping on your friend's porch in the sunlight at a dinner party, or, you know, in your living room when it's 90 degrees outside. It's super refreshing. It's got a nice fluffy body. And it just kind of tastes like a tropical vacation. Okay. Cheers. Enjoy your espresso MarTiki. Bye.